teams. Welcome to week 5 on the block.
Yeah, baby. Go time.
We're just 1 week away from our finale and crowning a champion.
Wow, I know, it's crazy.
That's crazy.
In week 5, you'll be working outside your homes, finalizing your exteriors and all landscaping front to back. Our judges this week are also members of the Rock the Block family. One half of this mother-daughter duo competed on Rock the Block in season 1. Stars of Good Bones, Mina Starziak-Hawk and Karen E. Lane.
All right.
Mina and Karen are definitely about coming up with ways to enhance your exterior. So we gotta step up our game, and we're just gonna show them what we have to offer in this competition.
It's your last chance to score that big bonus cash, which is now $5,000 to spend in our week 6 finale.
Okay.
All right, get to work. We'll see you soon.
This is gonna be a big deal, the exterior of this house. We're ready for another win. Back in week 1, Ty had us get started on our exterior facades. We're trying to add as much Charleston as we can.
So we have the new siding up, and we're still thinking of painting the house pink, but it is a risk. So it's now or never to make a change.
All right, so I really feel like it's come together in a very Charleston-y way.
Even though it's week 5 and we haven't won anything yet, I'm still liking our chances for the entire competition because I do actually think we've added a lot of value.
Yeah.
The house is fully sided, and we added a brick skirt too, just really making it all come together in a really nice way.
I love the cedar shake on the bottom, but it's gonna be a struggle to figure out a color.
We could pick a color that's like cedar,
Yeah,
and then we could pick a different color for the batten board.
yeah, I think a two-tone would be really, really effective. I don't think anybody else is doing two-tone.
Looks good, babe.
Looks really good.
Looks
It gave
really
me exactly what I was looking for. You know, I didn't want it to read too white.
Yeah.
I wanted to capture, you know, sort of the brick undertone, that aged look that a lot of the homes on Rainbow Row have.
It does.
It came out really great. When we first started this competition, we said brick all the way, which meant we had to get started on our exterior very early. But here is where it all pays off. And it really looks amazing. I mean, it's going to be worth it because curb appeal is everything,
I
right?
think so.
All right, I love, love, love this exterior, but it needs some major work. We didn't win last week, which was super disappointing. This week is extra important to us because outdoor living is who we are. It's what we do. Curb appeal, curb appeal, curb appeal, curb appeal. Lindsay, I think we've already won that game. I mean, we have all the textures going on. With this curb appeal, we know as agents, so often people drive up to homes, they're turned off, and they drive off. So we have to hit the front of this home dead on. Back in week 1, we decided to do the brick on the garage in like that beautiful dark tumbled brick. And then for the house, we sided that in shake and a little bit of board and bat mixed in.
So then we have our pollinator planters.
We're from Detroit, and it's a very different climate there, so we did a lot of research on what grows well here. I love boxwoods. It's gonna look so
It's
classy.
gonna be so cool. This whole thing will all be lined with boxwoods.
We don't want to put something in the yard that's gonna cause a buyer to have to really kind of overly baby it. That grass will bring some height. Oh, it's coming together with the plants. It starts to look like a house. I am definitely most worried about Egypt and Mike. Every time I look over at that house, everything about it is starting to make me nervous.
What if we put a crepe myrtle there and here, so it kind of adorns the driveway, draws your eye to the tree away from their fence, and kind of isolates the house? This is gonna help make the difference from the curb, set the tone. We're really happy about it.
I wish I had a sash.
Like smaller species magnolias.
There's the girls.
What is Dave and, oh, they got a hot tub.
We won last week, got a little extra cash, and now it is finally time to show the other teams what we did with that cash.
A hot tub? Really?
Come on, guys. Okay, are you kidding me? The audacity, the braggadociousness of it.
That is really a buyer's preference. I would say 50% of the time, I have buyers that say, I'll buy this house if you remove that hot tub.
That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
I like it.
When we were working on the main bedroom, we added a whole wall of glass, so French doors out. But with that, obviously, you gotta have a patio. So our idea was to add a pergola to it to be able to kind of create a more, intimate space there, something that would really be a great place to go and hang out.
I really like this. I would like one of our own.
Feels like Christmas.
The Juliet balcony is finally here, and it's just in time for tomorrow's judging.
Gotta add the balcony. It's gonna be romantic, nostalgic, and beautiful.
Look good. Yeah.
We have a lot of things left over for the very last minute, and we're really kind of running against a deadline.
I don't know how you can beat an outdoor fireplace, 3 patios, as well as the outdoor kitchen altogether.
Ty gave us the $1,000 challenge for a doghouse, and Jenny, negotiator that she is, got a sweet boat for $500. So I'm building the last-minute addition for our hot tub.
Lens?
What?
We have 37 minutes. I'm doing my best, Les.
We'll set up the dining space first, and then the bed will go right there.
Yeah.
We spent most of the $1,000 Ty gave us on metal for a palm leaf canopy and renting a plasma cutter, but that plan fell apart.
We know it's dicey and doesn't represent our skills, but a heated dog bed is the best we could afford with the money we had left.
We have a good chance in winning this thing, so I'm ready for judging and bring it on. Yeah.
She's cute. All right.
Hello.
Gentlemen.
Welcome.
Very nice to meet you.
I love the color of your guys' house.
Thank you.
Has that South Carolina vibe. You get some points there for sure.
You've created the look of a gas lantern without the problem of a gas lantern.
I love your light fixtures, but they get kind of squeezed in under the garage. I do like that in your opening, you get a little peek of, I just see a pergola, I see some raised beds, and it's this cute little vignette that's like, oh, I want to go check that out.
So I like to call that an amuse-loy, because my eye is looking through there going, I'd like to see that. Oh, look at this.
This is lovely.
Nice fire pit.
Why not gas?
This is easy. You get that crackle, that smell. I love it.
Yeah.
So we added an outdoor kitchen.
Here is our edible garden planter area.
I just see kids gathered around this with their little trowels and just having a ball planting. And if I had a pet, I would be very happy about having it fully fenced. If I didn't have a pet, I'd be sad that I can't see the water.
Sure. We thought that the fence ultimately would be more valuable.
Yeah.
We chose to do 4-side brick and give it a lime washed effect.
I'm a sucker for all white.
We chose gas lamps also for character.
I love the warmth on the metal.
We also added a balconette.
I do not like a Juliet balcony. I am not a fan.
Okay, Karen.
No, wait.
Let's hear this.
And I love this one.
Oh, okay.
Because it belongs here.
I also think it was a really good option to make the front of the house a focal point and do something a little different.
I'm getting goosebumps. I like the option you've created here with your outdoor kitchen and your outdoor dining space, and I like this.
And we built it in because our thought is when it's built in, it's a part of the house.
Right.
So then it increases the value.
Right.
I noticed no fence from the front. It might be a mistake.
Hi.
Welcome to our home.
It's beautiful. Brick is amazing.
Thank you.
And that old Charleston feel, right?
You guys did a really good job of that with the tumbled brick, with the shake, and also just adding that impactful pop with the dark. Looks really good. I think you balanced it well.
Thank you.
Some of the other houses put French doors.
Yes, actually every single house did except for us. We didn't want to give up our seating.
Yeah.
So we felt like it was actually a mistake.
I'm very torn on the French door versus window situation.
Yeah.
Well, I'm interested in seeing it.
Okay, let's go see the side yard.
I love this walkway.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Come on back.
Nice.
Oh, I like. Oh, it's like a little igloo.
One of the things that we learned about coming to the South was backyard oyster roasts were a big deal. So this is an actual oven that can support oyster roasts. And then over here, you've got your gas grill and your beverage fridge.
Love it. Love your outside of the house.
Where else can you do a pink house but in Charleston?
I respect the pink decision, but you didn't commit enough. You're not pink, kind of like this skin color tone that just misses the mark.
I love your use of the inkberries, and it's gonna look really, really good.
Yeah.
And I like the clean porch and the gas lamps.
That brings people in, and then our yard in the back, we got to go check that out.
Okay. All right.
guys
Let's
ready?
follow you guys.
It's all very light and bright. I like this swing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You guys did the most different things than any of the other three houses.
Yeah.
All of their kitchen spaces were up against the house.
Life happens around the table. The table is in the center of our outdoor space. So if the kitchen is up here,
They're all
it
gonna stay up
becomes
here.
too packed and too
Yeah.
crowded. We got $4,000 to spend. We got a hot tub. We got our TV so you can watch the game.
Dave just whipped that up today.
A hot tub does not add value. Does it add to the aesthetic of the backyard? I'm gonna have to say no.
It adds to the enjoyment.
It's time.
The winner of the exterior and outdoor spaces renovation is
Egypt and Mike.
You smell that? It's the smell of victory. It smells good, doesn't it?
really good.
I can get used to that.
$5,000.